Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your photo into a unique felt texture style using Pippit AI. Pippit AI is an AI tool that will help you to create any AI content like AI talking photos, avatar videos, product videos, and many more. And in here, this tool you can use to transform images into a creative designs with just a few clicks. And if you want to try these tools, just make sure to check the link in the descriptions and pin comment to access this tool. And then next to turn your photo into a unique file texture, first just open Pippit AI like this, and then go to Image Studio, and then go to AI Designs, and then in here just upload your photos that you want to turn into a file texture. For example, this one, and then just tap on Open, and then after that just write your prompt. Just describe your file texture designs over here. For example, I want to write like this. Turn this image into a soft felt texture, handcrafted wool styles, blah 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 like this. And then after that, just choose your AI designs, resolutions, and then the size of the picture. And after that, just tap on submit. And okay, like this, you will get the 4 results like this. Just take a look. Okay, like this, I think the result it looks super good, and it's like really like a felt texture, and I think it's so cute. And okay, maybe that's it. Maybe you can just try it by yourself. And then if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.